Many new pictures of Yağmur Yüksel and Baris baktas have been shared on social media. The shooting of the most awaited season of Çiçekleri has finally started. Yes, guys, that series is one of the most popular series of Turkey, and international fans are also waiting for the new season. Finally, Yağmur and Baris shared new pictures from the set, and they are so much happy and delighted. And it is the shooting, and finally, the shooting of their series has started. Fans are extremely happy and delighted. So, Yağmur and Baris series shooting has started finally.